Ja, ich habe ja spannende Tage in China verbracht bei SiC Energy und Astron Energy. Viel erlebt, habe ich euch im letzten Video zu mitgenommen. Aber ein Highlight bei SiC Energy war definitiv auch, dass ich dort den Global Sales Director getroffen habe und mit ihm ein spannendes Interview führen konnte über die Trends und Zukunftsaussichten der Solarindustrie und auch SiC Energy.
So we are now here at the SiC Energy headquarters. With me is Roy, head of global sales from SiC Energy. Really proud being here. Thanks for the invitation.
Thanks, it's our pleasure to having you here.
Yeah. We would like to go through some ideas about SiC Energy. First of all, I would like to ask you what, from your point of view, is unique about SiC Energy and what is different to the competitors as a brand, as a company of SiC Energy?
Yeah, I think for SiC Energy, so the best thing for us is the product. So the product itself, I think, is the best product in the market. So I think it depends on two things, two aspects. The first one is the hardware. So for the easy installation and also for the commissioning and also for the backup, we have the 0 milliseconds backup switchover time. And this all features giving us a really good hardware side. But what's more important is on the software side, because for us, for SiC Energy, so we have more than 600 R&D staff here. But for us, it's really special that we have half of them is the hardware engineer and half of them is software engineer. I think SiC Energy is the only company that have the 50% of their our R&D staff, which is in software. So you could see that from our software, it's really not a solar system. It's what we call the home energy management system.
Yeah.
So you can see all the resources, where your electricity coming from and where your electricity going to. So it's a really clear things on your map,
yeah,
on your home electricity. And the second thing is we do a lot of functions on, for example, the AI. So we do the AI mode that you can combine the advantage with the dynamic tariff to your home energy system. And also we do the AI with the chat box that you can have the assistant that to telling you all the instructions about what you are doing.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is the second aspect. So both the hardware and the software, we are the best in the market. This enable us to have the most innovative product to the customer.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good and also meets our experience about SiC Energy products, especially the really advanced software, which is also easily visible for the customers. Where do you see the global solar market heading to? So what's the challenges, what's the developments for the upcoming years, and how do you as SiC Energy react to that?
So I think for the global market now it's really clear. So it's turned to be solar plus storage. Mm-hmm. So it starts from Europe, especially Germany. I think it's a really good market that already has a lot of batteries here. But in the other markets, we are seeing more and more demand that you need battery, because currently, if it's only deploy solar, so you will meet a lot of issues on the grid side. So it gives the instability for the grid side, like what happened in Spain last for the power outage. So but actually, so after all of these issues happen, so battery now is definitely what will happen in the future.
Okay.
But the thing is, you need to combine solar and the battery together. This is not separate system. This is one system together.
Yeah.
So that's why you can see that either from our residential system or from our commercial system, we are all doing the DC coupled solution, and the EMS will manage everything together. Because solar plus storage is one thing. It's not two separated things.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's what we are engaged to do for all of our solutions. So when the customer is using SiC Energy system, they get combined solar plus storage to do everything together, to provide a really stable resources and the most cost-effective resources as well to the customer.
Really good. What a lot of our customers are really interested in is the possibility to charge V2X or bi-directional charging. I think you are one of the very, very few providers of that system with the DC charger fully integrated with the battery. I think you're the only one that has this currently on the market. And we already installed that, and it works perfectly well. But we get a lot of questions about the compatibility to certain cars. And how do you see this? Are you working with car manufacturers to get the compatibility really working, or how to improve that?
Yeah, I think the current issue still the biggest issue is still the standard. So the new standard, I think, just got frozen by the end of this year. So all the car manufacturers, they are now thinking about the standard, how to get the standard compatible. But for us, so I think we already give a compatible list, which means that we already test all of these cars, which is compatible with our V2X functions. So I think for the cars in the compatible list, so it's really easy to get compatible. So, and also we encourage our customer to testing with more cars that will be compatible with this one. Also, in our side, we are also work with car manufacturers, like we work with Daimler. We also work with Ford. So that's in Australia, we officially launched a collaboration with Ford. So their F-150 Lightning pickup, the electric pickup, they officially support our V2X functions. So we, from our side, we want to work with the electrical vehicle makers, producers, so to do these things together, because actually this is a really good thing for them as well. Because then the car now is a big battery for homes. So these provide their customer an additional option when they need the batteries. So I think we have a lot of collaboration with them as well.
I think we are on the beginning of a big development regarding this topic. We are also trying to make our own experiences with the system and to provide also the customers, let's say, like our double-checked list of cars and system that really work. But as far as our experience currently is, there are also some cars where it works with, you don't expect it. Also some older, like the Volkswagen ID.4, which just works.
Oh, that's good.
Which is also great.
That's good.
Course. Now that I know SiC Energy for 1.5, 2 years almost, I was really impressed about the rate of innovation. It's you're really a fast company in improving products and bringing new products. And as I understood, there are also new products currently launching. What are you most proud of? And maybe you can give us also a sneak peek about what our customers can expect in the upcoming month.
I think the first one is the commercial product, so the Segen Stacks. That's already available. That's not for next month, but it's just, I think, 2 months before we already get it available in European market, which is the Segen Stack. So we are the first one that can provide the 125 kilowatt hybrid inverter in the commercial side, because we find out that there's more and more demand in the commercial side to add battery as well. So that's why we develop a also hybrid inverter up to 125 kilowatt, and we also adopt the modular design on the battery side. It's a 12 kilowatts hour battery per pack. So this one enabled the really same idea with our set install solution. So for all the installer like you, it's really easy to expand from the residential to the commercial as well. And also this gives customer the same features that our Segen Stock gives customer. For easy to install, and also all the features on the software, because it's used the same EMS inside, also the AI things, and also the safety, because safety is also really important in a commercial one. So because if you put that in a modular, so everything will be controlled within the module. So you will not, it's super safety when it's compare with the cabinet or the container solution.
So for the customers that only know the residential system, it's pretty much like the residential system, just a little bigger.
Yeah. So that's the first thing. The second one is what we are going to really promote in next month is the microinverter.
Yeah.
So the microinverter, we are going to have the two types of solution. One is for the balcony PV, which is 400 watts and 800 watts. So that's really typical for the balcony one. And also we provide the 500 watt and 1000 watt microinverter to the installer, which they do the residential system. So I think for the microinverter itself, we are the first one to use the Wi-Fi mesh technique into the system, which you really don't need a gateway. For the other brand, they need a gateway to gather everything and to do the communication control. And for us, you just need one of the microinverter that within the Wi-Fi loop, then you can get everything done. And also the EMS is inside the microinverter as well.
And energy management system.
The EMS, the energy management system. And also when the microinverter work with the current cycle store system, so the energy management system can combine two systems for one in the software side. So although it's AC coupled with the current set and store EC, but on the software side, you only see one total project, and everything will be considered with the both one.
Okay. So I think it's an interesting product, especially also for us in Germany, as with the balcony solar system, but also as an extension, as I understood, of or additional to a current SiC energy system with the energy controller.
Yes.
If you want to add, for example, 3 or 4 additional modules on a roof part that is not available otherwise, or has a lot of shadow, or even on the garage, garden houses, something like that. Easily we can add this with the current installation, or later on, if you already have the Cyclone system, you can easily add the microinverter, and it's completely integrated into the app.
Yes.
I think that's a really huge advantage.
Yeah.
And you can also charge the battery from the microinverter, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
So I'm really thankful that we as an installer can be here in your headquarters, and you're also openly sharing everything with you, with us. What do you value about the work with us as a local installer in Germany most?
So I think, for how we do the business, so we really do the business rely on the local partners. Yeah. So you can see that we are not selling directly to the users. So for all of our, I would say the value chain, that is, we bring the value to you, and you can bring the value to your customers. So because for us, so our advantage is that we can do the product innovation. But for you, is you can provide the turnkey solution to your customers. Yeah. So that's why we work with a lot of like the really well-known installer like you. So it's because that we need you to bring the quality. Because for the solar project to the customer, our product is only partial of them. Yeah. So you still need really good quality on the installation, on the design, on the everything. So that's why we rely on really local brand on the installation companies that which can bring customer really good. Because if you have a good product, you need a good team to fulfill it in the customer house. Of course, so that's why we work with you guys to do these things.
Yeah, same for us. I mean, we want to offer best quality solar solutions for our customer, and not just like average or cheap, but which is really like the most innovative and state-of-the-art system.
Yes.
And this is why we found SiC Energy. Even more after the visit here, I'm convinced about the like leadership of this system technologically.
Appreciate it,
yeah. And Roy, thank you a lot for having us here
and
for your interview.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Ja, also ich fand es super spannend, wirklich zu sehen und vor allem auch aus erster Hand mal zu hören, wie in China die Solarbranche, auch die globale Solarbranche gesehen wird und was die Trends sind. Ich glaube, da wird uns noch viel erwarten. Aber es ist auch spannend zu sehen, wie eben SiC Energy so als Firma da agiert. Wir waren ja da wirklich in den Headquarters direkt vor Ort, saßen dann letztendlich mitten im Büro. Und auch so diese wirklich persönliche Nahbarkeit fand ich total spannend, mit einem der Top-Manager dort sprechen zu dürfen. Und ja, also ich bin mir sicher, das hört man ja auch aus den Inhalten raus, dass SiC Energy als Firma da auch noch ziemliches Wachstum vor sich hat mit dieser neuen Fabrik, die sie haben, Umzüge, neue Produkte. Also ich denke, wir können gespannt sein, was da noch auf uns zukommt. Ja, und wenn ihr aus Berlin oder Brandenburg seid und auch Interesse an einer Solaranlage oder Wallbox habt, dann meldet euch direkt bei uns.